Congress puts a ceiling over hours and a floor under wages. This does not abate the acute economic recession that the country now experiences, but the last great domestic conflict of the decade is over. Here in the United States, the German-American Bund openly imitates the strut and slogans of the Nazi stormtroops. In the march of the totalitarians, in the spread of fascism and the lure of communism, some Americans see the wave of the future. It happens here, in Madison Square Garden, a public demonstration of how dictatorships deal with anyone If there are those who would destroy democracy, there are also those who will defend it. For the first time in history, the King and Queen of England visit the United States, and Secretary of State Cordell Hull greets them in Washington. Their visit is an act of Anglo-American friendship. And goodwill is growing scarce in the world. Friendships are rare. Germany has overrun Austria and Czechoslovakia. Italy has invaded Albania. Japan is extending her aggression in China. The year is 1939, the month for war. The days grow short when you reach September. Trilon and Perisphere bravely symbolize the theme of the New York World's Fair, the world of tomorrow. But now, in the world of today, war has come, and Europe is already dark. The 30s are ending. Another era is passing. Through the fun and fantasy of the fair, something for you think. The President has said, many voices are heard as we face a great decision. Comfort says, tarry a while. Opportunism says, this is a good spot. Timidity asks, how difficult is the road ahead? Shall we pause now and turn our back upon the road that lies ahead? Shall we call this the promised land? Or shall we continue on our way? For each age is a dream that is dying, or one that is coming to birth.